Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video, I'll show you yet another popular platform to learn coding and web development. And if you just go to Google, just type here SitePoint, and this is the website will come right here. And here you can learn any language here, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP. So this is the dashboard of the page. So here you can learn through video courses, blog post, any sort of things. Here you can just start your free trial as well. Simply click on this button, and they do have these subscription models. So the plan starts from $6 per month, and you will get access 7 days free trial, and you can cancel anytime, and you will access to all their courses, learning paths. So you can do this. Click on start free trial and submit your credit card information. And you can even sign up with your Google account as well. So simply So once you sign up, you will be redirected to the dashboard page, and here you can search for. So here you can sign up. So here you can start your trial as well. So this is the dashboard right here, and here you can search for any sort of course. Let's suppose you want to search specifically about React. So simply type in the search bar, and the courses will come right here related to React. So you simply search for that. So 356 courses are there. So individually, you can also purchase the course right here. So this is the curriculum of the course right here. You will see each section of what you will be studying. And this is the instructor and also the reviews of the course as well. So this is the duration of the course right here, which is 34 hours. Number of videos, which is 201. And you can see the live preview of the course by clicking that. And now the demo video will play. So here you can actually see the actual demo video what you will be studying.
Hey there.
So in this easy way you can, and now you can click this, take this course. If you want to buy this, it's very easy. Just subscribe to their plans, and once you do this, you will get access to all the courses. So in this easy way, apart from courses, they do also have blog post tutorials as well. So if you go to library, you can also see the text-based courses as well. So simply click on that and you will have 4 chapters. So this is actually a text-based course. So you can see all these courses are there. So apart from that, they also have their community as well, where you can participate, ask questions related to whatever you studied. So this is the community of SitePoint. So here you can ask any question. So definitely try this SitePoint platform if you want to study programming and web development. So you can see that. So also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.